When using Blender, there are often situations where you need to utilize image mapping. Let's consider a simple scenario. This is when you are using the Eevee rendering engine. You have an object image that was shot against a plain white background, and you've connected it to the base color. Such use cases are relatively rare. Usually, you want to remove the white background and keep only the central image of fallen leaves. Since there is no alpha channel, connecting an alpha channel doesn't make sense. However, connecting the color channel to the alpha channel can be effective in this case, but no changes seem to occur. Blender does not provide an alpha channel as a default option. You have to request it from the head chef located in the Properties menu. In the Material tab, you need to change the blend mode to alpha clip. If you don't change the shadow settings, it might be disappointing. Now, there are some transparent parts appearing, but they are the opposite of what we intended. Connect the Invert Color node to achieve our desired effect. If you want to make the blurry shadow more distinct, you can increase the resolution in the Render tab. Don't forget, in Blender's Eevee rendering engine, alpha is not provided as a default option.